Hello everyone, today we're going to make some stars. So they're folded by strips of paper, and as you can see, this one, it's really nice to have different colors, but you can do it with all white if you can manage that. So what we need to start with is some strips of color paper, and what I've done here is just take some A4, cut strips of 2 centimeters of them, and I've taped some together. Like that. So you just tape them together to make some strips of paper. So here are 4 different coloured strips of paper ready to go. So fold them in half to start us off with, and then we're going to weave them together. So you need to put them through there, both sides, and then the white one, next colour, over there, like that, and then the last one, you need to go over the white and through the blue. There we go, and then we weave it all together like that. So that's the start of our star. There you go. And the first thing to do is to do another weave on top of that. So we fold over the blue. Not the blue, that was yellow, wasn't it? Oops. Fold over the top of the blue. Fold over the top of the pink. And then when we come to the white, we need to take the top and we need to tuck it under the yellow. Like that. There we go, that's the start of our star. And so the first, now we're going to make some points to the star. So what we need to do is take the bottom left strip and fold it a corner there. You can see I'm doing with this yellow one, a corner there that way, then fold it up. So you get a point there, like so, and then we fold it over, so we get a pointy star, and then that needs to be tucked under the blue, so it might be a bit tight, and then gently pull it so you get a star point, and then we turn it and we do the same thing. Fold it over that way, fold it over that way. We get this point, fold it double, and tuck it under, and gently pull it through. Go, and turn it again. As you see, there's some points that start to appear. Same with the pink. Over, double, and tuck it under again. Oh, and then the last one is the white one. Pay attention to this one as well. Fold it over like that. Then we fold it over this way up. And then we would fold it double. And with the last one we have to put it underneath the yellow twice. So underneath the first yellow, and then tuck it under the strip that's there already. There we go. So we end up with points on the star. There you go. Then we turn it over and do all again. So we start with blue. Points that way, double. And then it goes underneath the yellow. And gently pulling through. There we go. Next is the yellow. That way. That way. Up and under. Gently pulling through. White. Like that. Double. And under again. Last one, the pink one. 90 degrees there. 90 degrees there. Double. And under both blue strips. Go. Okay, good. So the points on the sides of the star, these ones, these are all done now. So now we're going to work on the top ones, the 3D ones. So the first thing to do is to fold all the top strips back, but not over each other. So this one we hold up a bit and we put the white one that way. Then we fold the yellow that way. Then we fold the blue one that way. And then we do the pink one that way. So they're not over any of the other strips, because that won't work. So the next thing is quite a bit of a trick, I think, but I think you can do this. So we fold it that 90 degrees that way, then you lift it up, fold it over like that. If you can see this, I'll do them all so you can catch the idea. And then you take this strip, you hold it over there, and then it should just slide through and come out here in between the point. Now sometimes it's a bit easier if you want to cut it and make it a pointy corner, and it's definitely a lot easier to get it through there. So I'll just get my scissors, I can do that as well. I'll show you. So we fold it 90 degrees that way, like that. Then it goes up, and then it goes through there. So what we can do is just cut the corner off so it slides through a little easier. There we go. And gently pull it so it's on the point. And do the same for yellow. 2 degrees that way. Up. It's easier with a pointy bit. So. Last one. That way. Fold it up. Pointy bit. And goes under. That's this side done. So they look nice. Then we need to turn it over and do the same thing. So what we're doing is putting the yellow under the blue, folding over the white, the pink, and the blue. There we go. this becomes the other side points. Now, to be a bit careful not to push down too hard because you'll squash the points on the other side. It goes under. Yeah, look, there we go. Comes through. See? This one. And the yellow one. 90 degrees. Flip it over and tuck it through. That's one. 70 degrees. You can always press it down a bit there. Flip it over and tuck it through there. And the last one. 90 degrees. Up. Through there. Okay, star is done. Just need to tidy it up. So to do is carefully cut off the strips that poke out. It doesn't matter if you leave a little bit sticking out. It adds to the colour variety of your star. And do that all the way around. White ones. And the yellows. And then blue. Go. Another star. Well, I hope you have a go at this and get a good result just like these. Enjoy! Bye!